Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 1.3 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Next, fifth question. Given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. In this question, we have to find the value of first term and the ninth term. Solution. Here, given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75 and the value of n is, this is the value of n, that is 9. Now let us write the formula of sum of first n terms, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. Yes, value of n is 9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2 into a plus n value is 9 minus 1 into value of d is 5, that is S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5 40. S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into, now let us take 2 as common factor into 2 and the remaining term is a plus 20. This 2 gets cancelled and the value of S9 is 75. Now 75 is equal to 9 into a plus 20, that is 75 is equal to 9 into a, 9a plus 9 into 20, 180. Now let us shift this plus 180 to the left side, it becomes minus 180, that is 9a is equal to 75 minus 180, that is 9a is equal to, subtracting these two terms we get minus 105 as the answer, that is a is equal to minus 105 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 1, 15, 3 5s are 15, that is the value of a is minus 35 by 3. Next, to find out the value of ninth term, first we should write the nth term formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula, that is a, n values 9 is equal to value of a is minus 35 by 3 plus value of n is 9 minus 1 into value of D is 5. That is A9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 into 5, 40. That is A9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Here the LCM is 3 minus 35 plus 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 40, 120. That is A9 is equal to 120 minus 35. We get 85 divided by 3. This is the value of 9th term. Next question. Given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find N and An. Solution. Here A value is 2, common difference is 8, Sn is 90. Now let us write the formula of sum of first 10 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into value of a is 2 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 8. Here Sn value is 90. 90 is equal to n by 2 into 2 to the 4 plus 8 into n, 8n plus into minus, minus 8 1 the 8. Now let us shift this denominator 2 to the left side. It becomes multiplication, that is 90 into 2 is 180 is equal to n into 8n minus 8 plus 4 become minus 4. This becomes 180 is equal to n into 8n, 8n square plus into minus, minus n into 4, 4n. Now let us shift this plus 180 to the RHS. It becomes minus 180. It is 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equal to 0. Here now let us divide this equation by 4. This becomes 8 by 4 gives 2n square minus 4 by 4 is 1n minus 180 divided by 4 is 45, which is equal to 0. Here this is in the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Now we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation by factorization method. Here the first term is 2n square, the last term is minus 45 and the middle term is minus n. The product of the first and the last term is minus 90n square and the middle term value is minus n. Now we have to divide this middle term such that the product must be equal to minus 90n square and their sum must be equal to minus n. So 90 can be written as 10 into 9, 90. Here we have to get minus n, so the greater number is minus 10, the smaller number is plus 9. Now let us shift this value to this quadratic equation, that is 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals 0. Here the common is 2n, the remaining is n minus 5. Here plus 9 is common and the remaining number is n minus 5. Here n minus 5 and 2n plus 9 equals 0, that is n minus 5 equals 0, or 2n plus 9 equals 0, that is n is equal to 5, or n is equal to, here 2n plus 9 is equal to, 2n is equal to minus 9, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Here the value of n is a positive number. Here the value of n is a rational number. Since n must be a positive number, we are taking this as the answer. Next we have to find the value of an, that is value of a5. For that we have to write n term formula. We have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Value of n is 5. The value of a is 2 and the value of d is 8. Value of a is 2 plus value of n is 5 minus 1 into value of d is 8. That is a5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 4 is 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 into 8 is 32. Adding these two terms, we get 34 as the answer. Next question. Given a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, sn is equal to 210, find n and d. Solution. Here first term is 8, nth term is 62, sn is 210. So first we have to write the formula of sum of first 10 terms, that is sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. The value of sn is 210 is equal to n by 2 into value of a is 8 plus value of an is 62. 210 is equal to n by 2 into 62 plus 8 is 70. Now 2 ones are 2, that is 210 is equal to 35 into n is 35 n. That is n is equal to 210 divided by 35. Dividing 210 by 35, we get 6 as the answer. Next, to find out the value of d, we have to write the formula of nth term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a, value of n is 6, value of a is 8, plus n value is 6 minus 1 into value of d must be calculated. That is, the value of an is 62 is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 into d, 5d. Now let us shift this plus side to the left side. That is 5d is equal to 62 minus 8. That is 5d is equal to 62 minus 8 gives 54. That is d is equal to 54 divided by 5. D is equal to 5 tens are 50. 54 minus 50 is 4.40. 5 eights are 40. That is, the value of D is 10.8. Next question. Given an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, sn is equal to minus 14. Find the number of terms n and the first term a. Solution. First we have to write the nth term formula. That is, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. The value of an is 4, a plus n minus 1 into value of d is 2. That is 4 is equal to a plus 2 into n, 2n, plus into minus, minus 2 into 1, 2. That is 4 is equal to. Now let us shift this minus 2 to the left side, becomes plus 2, which is equal to a plus 2n. That is, a plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. This can also be written as, shifting this plus 2n to the RHS, it becomes minus 2n. This is equation 1. Now let us write the sum of first n terms formula. That is, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Here the value of Sn is minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into value of a is, this is the value of a, that is 6 minus 2n, 6 minus 2n, plus value of an is 4, that is minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into minus 2n plus 6 plus 4, we get plus 10 as the answer. Now let us do cross multiplication. That is, minus 14 into 2 is equal to n into minus 2n plus 10. 14 into 2, 28 is equal to minus n into 2n, 2n square, plus into plus, plus 10 into n, 10n. Now let us shift all the terms of the RHS to the LHS. That is 2n square minus 10n minus 28 is equal to 0. Dividing the equation by 2, we get n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. This is in the form of quadratic equation. So we have to find the value of n by factorization method. That is 14 can be written as 7 into 2. That is minus 7 plus 2. So n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equals 0. Here n is common. N into n minus 7. Here plus 2 is common. Plus 2 into n minus 7, which is equal to 0. N minus 7 into n plus 2 is equal to 0. That is n minus 7 is equal to 0, or n plus 2 is equal to 0. That is n is equal to 7, or n is equal to minus 2. Since the number of terms must be positive number, we are taking the value of n is equal to 7 as the answer. This is omitted. Now we have to find the value of a. For that, let us shift this value to the first equation. Substituting the value of n in equation 1, we get equation 1 is a is equal to 6 minus 2 into n. It is a is equal to 6 minus 2 into value of n is 7. It is a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7 is 14. That is value of a is minus 8. This is the answer. Next problem. Given a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 192, find the value of d. Solution. Here first term is 3, n value is 8, Sn is equal to 192. We have to find the common difference. Now let us write the formula of sum of first 10 terms. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us substitute all these values to this formula. The value of Sn is 192. The value of n is 8. That is 8 by 2 into 2 into value of a is 3 plus value of n is 8. 8 minus 1 into d. That is 192. 8 by 2 gives 4. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 into 3 is 6 plus 8 minus 1 7. 7 into d 7d. Here these two terms are connected with multiplication sign. So when we shift this plus 4 to the left side, it goes to the denominator. 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. That is 6 plus 7d is equal to 4 4s are 16, 32 4 8s are 32, that is 48. Next, let us shift this plus 6 to the RHS. It gets minus 6, that is 70 is equal to 48 minus 6, that is 7d is equal to 42. Therefore d is equal to 42 by 7. 7 ones are 7 6. The value of common difference is 6. This is the answer. Next question. Given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144 and there are 9 terms, find the value of A. Solution. Given last term is 28, value of S is 144 and value of N is 9. We have to find the value of first term. Now let us write the sum of first terms, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Now let us shift all these values to this formula. Sn value is 144 is equal to value of n is 9 by 2 into value of A is that we have to find plus value of L is 28. Here these two terms are connected with multiplication sign, so when we shift this 9 by 2 to the left side, it will get reciprocal, that is 144 into 9 by 2 gets converted to 2 by 9, which is equal to A plus 28. 9 ones are 9, 54, 9 6 are 54, that is 16 into 2 is 32, which is equal to A plus 28. Now let us shift this plus 28 to the left side. It becomes minus 28, that is A is equal to 32 minus 28, that is A is equal to, subtracting these two terms we get 4 as the answer.